Welcome! Today, we draw and color an adorable rabbit. Grab your paper and coloring tools, and let's get started on this furry adventure. First, let's sketch out the basic shape of our rabbit. Start by drawing his face shape. Fantastic work! Now, let's add some details like ears on top of the head. Great job! Now, let's add the details for our rabbit's face. Draw a smaller oval inside the larger one for the muzzle, and add a tiny circle for the eye. Bravo! Our rabbit is really taking shape now. It's time to add color and make it even more adorable. Choose your favorite colors and start filling in the different parts of the rabbit. You can use soft, natural tones for a realistic look, or get creative with bright and playful colors. You're doing wonderfully! Keep coloring until your rabbit is fluffy and full of personality. You're doing wonderfully! Keep coloring until your rabbit is fluffy and full of personality. Great job on your artwork! Thank you for watching! See you in the next video and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye!